Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain the changes which are made in GATE 2021. So yesterday a notification of this exam came, GATE 2021. So there are few changes in exam, and also there are few changes in syllabus of each paper. So first change which they have made, so I will explain one by one each change which they have made in this paper. So first change is, now this in this paper BTech third year students are eligible. Okay. Earlier only fourth year and pass out students were eligible for this exam, but this year third year students are eligible. Those who are whose degree is expected to complete in 2022. So जिनका डिग्री 2022 में कंप्लीट होने वाला है, they are also eligible. Second change which they have made is they have introduced two new papers. Two new papers are added. Earlier there were 25 papers, GATE papers, but this year they have added two new papers. So total there is 27 papers. So those two papers are environmental science and engineering. जिसका code है ES, and second one is humanities and social sciences. जिसका code है XH. ठीक है, these two papers are added. Next change is this year student can give combination of two papers. Combination of two papers allowed to appear in GATE 2021. Means if suppose for an example, if I have taken one example, for suppose if you have taken the first choice MT metallurgical engineering, MT आपने choose किया है first option, MT is the first option. So for those who have chosen the first option MT, they can choose second option in the combination. They can choose either physics. Second paper they can choose either physics or engineering sciences. So there they have they will conduct the exam in more number of days, so that a student can appear in two exams, two papers. Okay. For example, I have given one example. For suppose if a student have taken first choice metallurgy MT, second choice in combination, that student can choose either physics as second paper or engineering sciences. So they have in notification they have given the combinations for each branch, for each paper, for each first choice. They have given the second options for second choice. Okay, that you can see from the notification. Detailed notification came. So metallurgy students can choose physics or engineering sciences as second paper. So according to me, this for metallurgy students, engineering science, they can appear in engineering sciences also for this paper also. So they can choose this choice because the syllabus for engineering sciences is quite similar to the metallurgical syllabus. If I talk about engineering sciences paper, so अभी जो है इसकी बात करते हैं. engineering sciences paper का कोड है XC. So in this paper there will be 15 marks aptitude, general aptitude in all the papers. In all the papers, 15 marks will be general aptitude paper, and rest will be 85 marks will be 85 marks will be from that particular paper or subject. So, for example, in this paper, XC paper, engineering sciences paper, out of 85 marks, 15 marks weightage is given to engineering mathematics. So engineering mathematics 15 marks, general aptitude 15 marks, so total 30 marks. And out of these sections B, C, D, E, F, G, H, students have the options to choose any two sections. So they can choose any two sections. This engineering mathematics section is compulsory. So iska weightage kitna hai? 15 marks. And out of these given sections, students can choose any two sections. So weightage of each section will be 35 marks. 35 into 2, total 70 marks. So 70 plus 15 plus 15, total will be 100 marks. So this paper, metallurgy students can appear for this paper. They can choose this paper as second option because in out of these sections, they study thermodynamics in metallurgy. So they study material science, they study fluid mechanics. So out of these sections, students can choose any two sections in which in which he or she is comfortable. So जिसमें भी आप comfortable हो, you can choose any two sections. So according to me, out of these three, you can choose any two. Polymer science is also there, so you can choose any two sections. I'm talking about metallurgical students. So this paper you can appear for second paper. Your first paper will be empty. So if you choose first paper empty, then you can choose second paper either from physics or XE. Physics syllabus is very different from metallurgical syllabus. That's why I am saying you can appear for, if you are decided to go for two papers, then you can choose this paper as second option. Now coming to the benefits of choosing two papers. So the benefit will be there in MTech admission in various reputed institutes. So if you are interested in interdisciplinary branches, so in these branches, various papers will be allowed to take the admission. So you can get benefit of this second paper in getting the admission in MTech. Suppose अगर आपका पहले में उतना अच्छा marks नहीं आते, so the competition in this paper will be less as compared to other papers in XE paper. If you choose any second paper according to your branch, so I'm especially talking about metallurgical students. So if a metallurgy student choose second paper, this the XE as second paper, so what is the benefit? If suppose if he do not score good marks in first paper, and if he score average marks in second paper, so it will be helpful in getting good institute, because the highest marks in this paper will be the competition. I can say competition will be less in this paper as compared to other papers. So, and also in many interdisciplinary branches, so this paper is going to be allowed to take admission. So you can choose that is the only benefit of taking two papers. So you have to choose the second paper according to your interest. Okay. So that is my opinion. If you are a metallurgical student, you can, it is better to go for XE paper if you are thinking about to give two papers. Okay. That is up to you. If you want to give only one paper, that is up to you. So but if you want to go for second paper, then this will be more suitable as compared to physics, because you have only two options. Metallurgical students have only two options to choose as second option. So the two options are physics and engineering sciences. So in engineering sciences there is option to choose any two sections. So that's why this is going to be easy to choose. And thermodynamics is there also in metallurgy syllabus. Material science you study, so you can see the syllabus. Syllabus is detailed. Syllabus is given, so you can see the syllabus, and according to the syllabus, you can decide any two sections. Now, next change. Next is this year. The scope of GATE is high because earlier the student used to give GATE for PSUs and for taking admission in MTechs. But this year there is one more opportunity. So that opportunity is use of GATE score for employment. Earlier there was PSUs. पहले क्या था, PSU थे और रिसर्च सेंटर थे. So in PSU, if I talk about metallurgical students, so for metallurgical students, there was IOCL, BIS, SAIL, NALCO, Vizag Steel. So these PSUs were there, and along with these PSUs, two research centers, DRDO and BARC. These two research centers also recruit through GATE. But this year, one more opportunity is added, and that is direct recruitment to Group A level posts in central government. That is senior field officer, senior research officer in cabinet secretariat. So this opportunity is added this year. So now some central government jobs, central government jobs are through GATE. Okay. So this will be later. We will get to know which central government jobs are through GATE once notification will came. ठीक है. But इन्होंने अभी एक एग्जांपल बताया है कि जैसे कि कैबिनेट सेक्रेटेरिएट में हमें इसकी रिक्वायरमेंट हो सकती है, तो वो गेट से रिक्रूटमेंट होगा. ठीक है. तो यू कैन, so this year it is very beneficial to appear for GATE exam. Okay. And students can start preparing in third year, and also they can appear in exam, and they can have some experience, so that they can, if they do not do well in third year, they can do better in fourth year. So it will save, I think, 1 year of preparation. Mostly earlier, what the students used to do, they give in fourth year, and after that they drop for 1 year for the preparation. So this year third year students can give, so it is going to be very beneficial, and also scope is more because central government jobs are added. Next change is pattern of questions. So earlier there were two type of questions, multiple choice questions. First type was multiple choice questions, जो पहले था multiple choice, और दूसरा था NAT टाइप, न्यूमेरिकल आंसर टाइप, जो अभी मैंने थर्ड नंबर में रखा है, न्यूमेरिकल आंसर टाइप. So these two types was there in GATE up to 2020. So but this year they have introduced one more new type. So first of all, let me explain about these types. In multiple choice questions, there will be 4 options, and you have to choose one correct option, and negative marking will be there in multiple choice question. Okay? Negative marking will be there. For 1 mark question, there will be -1/3 negative mark, and for 2 marks question, there will be -2/3 negative marking for multiple choice questions. And this year they have added one more type. They have introduced one more type, which is multiple select questions. so which was not there in previous GATE papers. So this year they have introduced this type multiple select questions. So what are the features of these questions? Objective in nature. This will be objective in nature, like मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस. जैसे मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, ऑब्जेक्टिव वैसे ही होंगे जिसमें ऑप्शंस होती हैं. सेकंड, each will have choice of 4 answers. Each question will have choice of 4 answers, out of which one or more choice or choices are correct. So now try to understand this point. Suppose for a question, if let's say 2 options are correct, let's say there are 4 options A, B, C, D, and 2 options are correct for that question. Let's say A and B are correct options. Now if you choose only A option, you will not be given any marks. आपको कोई भी marks नहीं मिलेंगे until unless you choose A and B both. You have to choose both correct options. Suppose if for a question A and B are the correct options, you have to choose A and B both. Both options you have to select. If you select one option, you will not be given marks. If you select 3 options, you will not be given marks. अगर 2 options सही हैं, तो आपको 2 ही choose करने पड़ेंगे. So this is going to be a tough task because you have to check each option. आपको हर option check करना पड़ेगा. You need to check each option, and you have to then after checking all the options, then you have to decide which are the option which those are correct. Okay. And suppose if you find 2 options correct, you have to mark A and B both options. So that is going to be the change in exam question pattern. There will be no partial marking. Partial marking means if you choose only, suppose if 2 options are correct, if you choose only one option, you will not be given marks. You have to select, if 2 options are correct, you have to select those 2 options. Then only you will be given marks. So this is going to, this will be going to be a tough task because you have to check all the options. And but one positive thing is there will be no negative marking of these type of questions. Multiple select questions, there will be no negative marking, like so there will be no negative marking like a numerical answer type. Numerical answer type questions also there is no negative marking. So negative numerical answer type questions was also there in previous GATE exams. So numerical answer type questions that in these type of questions there will be no options. There will be no options. It will be fill in the blanks questions. Fill in the blank. So blank will be there and you have to type the answer. आपको आंसर टाइप करना होगा यहाँ पे और इसमें भी नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं होती. ठीक है. That is the change in. So these are various changes in GATE 2021 exam, and also there are few changes in syllabus. So I will make one more video where I will explain the changes in the syllabus of metallurgical paper. I will explain the changes in various subjects. So, and also we are going to introduce few papers in our test series of this pattern, where one more type is introduced. So we are going to add a few papers of this pattern of questions so that students will be comfortable before going for exam. And for syllabus, I will make another video. And subscribe our channel for more videos. subscribe our channel Brightest Academy.